Hello and welcome back to English Speaking Tips. I'm John.
And I'm Anna. It's great to have you here. This is episode 7, and we're excited because today we're diving into some very real and relatable topics that every English learner can connect with.
If this is your first time with us, hit that subscribe button. We create weekly podcasts to help you learn and practice English in a natural, fun way. These are real conversations between native speakers, perfect for beginners.
Okay, let's get started. Today's topics are: is technology making life easier or more stressful? Dream job versus stable job. What should you choose? Does social media help or hurt real communication? Topic 1: is technology making life easier or more stressful?
So, Anna, let's talk tech. Would you say your life is easier now with all the technology or more stressful?
Honestly, both. I love that I can work remotely, call my parents overseas in seconds, or even get groceries delivered. But sometimes it feels like my phone controls me.
Yeah, I feel that. I check my emails constantly, even during dinner. It's like we never switch off.
Exactly. I sometimes wish we lived in a simpler time. Do you remember life before smartphones?
Oh yeah. It was quiet, peaceful, but also things were slower. Now we can do more in less time.
True, but is faster always better? For example, I used to enjoy reading a book in a cafe. Now I'm always scrolling, switching apps every few minutes.
That's the thing, we multitask so much that we don't focus deeply anymore. Everything's about speed.
And don't even get me started on notifications. Buzz, buzz, buzz all day long. It's mentally draining.
That's a good word. Draining. It's like your brain is tired even if you didn't do much.
Exactly. So I started something new. I have a no-screen hour in the evening. Just 1 hour without any devices.
That's awesome. I might try that. I think the problem isn't technology itself, it's overuse.
Agreed. If we use tech with purpose, it's powerful. But if we use it without limits, it controls us.
Topic 2. Dream job versus stable job. Which one should you choose?
John, here's a big one. Would you choose your dream job with risks? Or a safe, stable job with a steady paycheck?
Honestly, I'd go with the stable job. I like knowing what to expect. Bills are paid, life is routine.
I get that. But don't you ever feel bored? Like every day is just copy-paste?
Sometimes, yes. But I also value security. I don't want to worry about money or my future.
See, I'm the opposite. I want purpose and passion. I'd rather take a risk and feel alive than play it safe and feel stuck.
That's brave. But what if the dream job doesn't pay well? Or it takes years to build?
That's where resilience comes in. If it's something you truly love, you push through the hard times. You grow.
I admire that mindset. But I think some people confuse a dream with reality. You still need a plan.
Totally agree. Dreaming without a plan is just fantasy. But dreaming with a plan? That's powerful.
So maybe the answer is balance. Start with the stable job, but work on your dream in your free time.
Exactly. It doesn't have to be either or. You can build slowly. The important thing is not giving up. Topic 3. Is social media helping or hurting real communication?
All right, let's talk social media. Love it or hate it?
Mixed feelings. I love it for staying in touch with friends. But I hate how addictive it is. I sometimes open Instagram just to check one thing and end up scrolling for an hour.
Yep, it's a trap. And the worst part is we think we're being social, but we're not really connecting.
Exactly. It's like we're talking at each other, not with each other. I miss real conversations.
Me too. And social media also creates so much pressure. Everyone's life looks perfect online.
Totally. You see someone posting beach photos and suddenly your normal day feels boring.
I actually deleted some apps last year, just for a break. And I felt lighter, more clear-minded.
That's great. I started journaling instead. Writing by hand feels personal. honest
Maybe that's the key. Use social media as a tool, not a way of life.
yes, and make time for real human connection. A video call, a coffee chat, even a walk with a friend.
Social media should support your relationships, not replace them.
Vocabulary. Check. Let's go over 5 useful words from today's episode. Draining. Something that makes you tired, especially mentally. Overuse. Using something too much or too often. Resilience. The ability to keep going and recover after a problem or failure. Routine. Something you do regularly in the same way. Clear-minded. Thinking clearly without stress or confusion.
That's all for today. Thanks for listening and practicing with us.
Remember, the more you listen and speak, the more natural English will feel. You're not just learning, you're becoming fluent.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this podcast with a friend who wants to improve their English. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
And see you in the next episode.